Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device with the help of the decibel meter. Now I'll set here the maximum mode, and the maximum mode means the device, the decibel meter, will reduce the highest volume of our speakers. Then here the value on our on the display will change. So let's start. So as can you see, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra reached the 107 and 8 decibels. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.